Vercel just launched their new AI gateway and it is now generally available. But what exactly is it and how can you use it in your projects? In this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough so you can get started right away. AI Gateway is one single API for many models. So we have one unified API call where we can use hundreds of different models, as we can see here. Here it says that with AI Gateway, we can use any vendor, any model through a single API. That means we can use OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, Grok, or whatever we want without the need to juggle separate API keys. And the pricing is transparent. You pay what the AI provider charges. You can bring your own API keys and Vercel is not going to take their percentage in that whole calculation. And best thing about it is that it is working automatically with the AI SDK. Currently, AI SDK is definitely the best, cleanest, easiest solution to create AI applications. They're saying here that AI SDK now sees more than 2 million downloads per week, which is really amazing. And the implementation is extremely easy. We just put in here the model, the prompt, and it works. Let me show you. So I have here an AI chatbot working with AI SDK 5 and AI elements. You have the repo in the description below if you want to fork it, and we can ask him whatever we want. For example, give me 10 Orcish names, and the AI is going to answer us and give us a response. So this is working entirely through AI Gateway, and as you can see, here we can choose different models. So we have GPT-4o and DeepSeek R1. And if we go to the implementation, it is really easy. So here, the only difference if you work with AI SDK is this result right here. Before, we were adding here different AI providers, for example, OpenAI AI provider or XAI or whatever it is. But now we are just putting in the string for our model. So for example, we are seeing here if it is a web search, we are sending Perplexity Sonar, or we are sending model automatically, which we are doing through our AI chat here. So we have our models, and for GPT-4, we are sending the OpenAI GPT-4o. For DeepSeek, we are sending this string right here. And our chatbot knows automatically what to use. I'll refresh, and if we go back, we can add here any model we want, for example, Grok 4, and we can ask here, what AI model are you? And GPT-4 is going to answer, I'm GPT-4 architecture. Okay, I'm going to refresh again, and I'm going to ask now Grok, what AI model are you? And we have two totally different models in the same application without using any API key from XAI or OpenAI. So he's saying I'm Grok, an AI built by XAI. So we have two totally different models. How awesome is that? And if you go to your Vercel dashboard, you can see here the new tab AI Gateway. So here you can see all your usage and everything. You can create your API key and things like that. It's really easy. So here in the API keys, you just go create your key and put it inside of your env file. And you're also getting, I'm not sure now, where can I see it? Here. So you have free credits, $5. It's okay. It's really great for testing and to test it out a little bit to see how is it working. And you also have a dashboard. You can see here and filter all that data, like for different models, for OpenAI, XAI, Anthropic, and whatever I used before. And we can see the cost and everything that we need for our AI gateway. I think this is really a great move by Vercel. They're becoming a go-to platform when we are creating AI applications, and I think that I'm really going to use this AI gateway a lot for my future apps. I hope you like this video, and for more content like this, join the mighty Horde, subscribe.